listen to me. You don't even know you're doing this, but stop doing this unless you want to sabotage your next phone call. It's called iMessages. It's not the iMessaging app on your iPhone. What it is, it's when you're speaking to somebody, you get on the phone, you're like, I think we should get together. I think we need to look at the pricing of your home. I think we need to paint your property purple. All right? It's all about you. You're speaking at people rather than speaking with people. So we want to do things or say something, we and us. Whenever you hear the word I, substitute it with we and us. So for example, when you say we, instead of I think we should get together and have a conversation, we should get together and have a conversation. The three of us should get together and have a conversation. You know, looking at your property, I think that we need to paint it from yellow to purple. Are you guys with me on this, what I'm saying right now? I'm going to throw a little curveball here as well. One other form, I think this is a little bit of NLP, neuro-linguistic programming. I'm not sure. I've never actually really studied this stuff. I just know that I kind of do it. Another thing is the word but. I'm not talking about a but. I'm talking about when you say, I can't believe I just said that. All right, I'm talking about when in a conversation you'll be like, we need to do this, but you should really do this first. Because what's happening, whatever you're doing and taking, you're putting a negative connotation and a negative spin on that conversation. So when you say the word but, and you notice it's going to come up, change it with the word yet. I understand you're not going to do this, yet we should do that. It just has a positive spin on it. So between the I messages, remove those, put in the us and the we, get rid of the word but, and replace it with the word yet. I guarantee it is going to change the way that you speak with people, which is going to make you more money. So please listen to what I'm telling you.